Today's home workout is my 7-minute lose belly fat workout. Now, how this is designed, it's designed to help reduce what we also refer to as visceral fat, also active fat. So basically it's that extra belly fat that we have, and it's stored in the abdominal cavity, and this is where then it's stored all around our internal organs. So what we want to do is we want to reduce that in a healthy, safe way, and that's where you're in safe hands here with your qualified online trainer. So this isn't about looking a certain way, this is about being in your optimal health. So how it's going to work today, we have simply got 7 moves. We do each one for 30 seconds and we repeat the routine twice. It's all standing and it's all designed to help reduce belly fat. So if you haven't done a warm-up, what I would say is just press that pause button, march on the spot for say 20 seconds. Then when you're ready, I'm ready to start training you today. So here's a preview of the first move. We're going to do a knee lift, then a straight leg kick. All right, so if you just get ready and come into position. So arms up, and let's take that to a knee lift, then straight leg kick. Knee lift, straight leg kick. So you're going to do this for a duration of 30 seconds. And with this one, what I want you to really do is focus on keeping your upper body nice and straight and really fully engage those abdominal muscles. So pull them in nice and tight. And what we're doing here is this is a cardio move, and it's also working through the abdominals. So you can see your next move coming up because we're going to go straight into this. So come into like a running stance, and now you're going to drive that leg up behind. So we're going quickly from one move to another today. What we're going to do halfway through on this one, we're going to change and take that to the opposite leg. So let's just keep that going. This again is working cardio, abs, and now just change legs for me, driving that up. So this one here, you'll really feel this one increasing that heart rate. So then you can just see there your next move coming up. I'm also going to show you a low impact alternative 2 and 1. So you're going to cross your arms and now just jump from one side to the other. If you don't want to do the jump, just follow with the low impact option. So again, we're doing this for a duration of 30 seconds. And you can see on the right, we've got a timer bar. We've got to fill that all up with yellow, and that is your 7-minute workout complete. All right, that's good. So this one here is great for cardio, also really working into the waist. And you can just see there your next move coming up. So we're going to come into, for that one, into a wide stance to start with. So let's just take the feet wide, arms to the side. You go 4 twists and then 4 to the side. And then take it back to doing those 4 twists. So what I wanted to do today was create a really quick workout. So we're not having any rest. We're just going straight from one move to the other. So we're upping the intensity, and that's how we're going to really help to reduce belly fat in a safe, effective way. So you can just see there, the next move is going to be running on the spot. I'm going to show you a low impact alternative. So with this one, it's just doing those fast feet if you don't want to do the running. So again here, what we're doing is we're really going to increase that cardio. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going, doing really well, as fast as you can. So this is just going to really help to be burning off calories, stripping off excess belly fat. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So you can see the next move coming up, we're simply doing straight leg kicks, and let's just get 2 and 1. So straight into those straight leg kicks, keep that upper body nice and straight, keep those tummy muscles pulled in. So now we're really conditioning through the core, working through those abs. All right, that's good, doing really well. So the idea is we're going to do 7 moves today, each one for 30 seconds, and we repeat the routine a second time. It's a really simple, effective workout, something that I'd like you to do for the next 7 days. So with the next one, just imagine we're pulling down a big sheet of wallpaper, all right? So arms up and just pull that down and step that foot across. What I'm doing now is really engaging through your core muscles. This is amazing for working through your waist, through your abs, but we're also doing the cardio as well. So imagine we've got that big sheet of paper, we're ripping it off from a wall. Really pull that down, add that resistance, really feel that through those abdominals. So you can see the next move coming up, we're back to the start again, and you can see the timer on the right. We're now halfway through the workout. So take it knee and straight leg kick, knee, straight leg kick. That's good. Just keeping that going. And really make sure as you extend that leg up, always pull those tummy muscles in really tight. Doing really well, keeping that going. That's good. And well done. Nice control. And this is part of a challenge that I'm doing, so definitely I will tell you more details in a minute with this. So let's just keep that going, and you can see now your next move coming up, we're going to get ready to take it back to those running abs. So come into that split stance, drive that knee up as fast as you can, keep those tummy muscles pulled in really tight, driving that's good. Nice control. And again, this one here is great for calorie burning, plus we're engaging those core muscles. So let's get ready, take it to the opposite leg for me. Drive that up. So it's a full body exercise, and this is where the best way to get results for the abs never is doing planks. It's always, if we want to get rid of belly fat, we've got to do that cardio. So you can see the next move coming up, we're doing that pendulum swing. Again, you've got your low impact option there. And when you come back to do this video tomorrow, you can do it and put on your favorite workout music, so you'll be familiar with the moves. All right, that's good. So again, if you don't want to do the jump, just follow in that move up in the left hand corner. So this one here, again, it's cardio, but we're also still shaping through the waist. So next move coming up, we're going back to that waist training move. So with that one, come into a wide stance. So you're taking the feet wide, and then we're going to do a twist for 4 and then take that to the side. So this is actually part of a 4-week free challenge. This isn't an app, it's completely free. I don't need your email. You can download it. It's got lots of tips on healthy lifestyle, nutrition advices, everything you need. It's just really just to teach you, because I always think education is key. So you can see the next move coming up, and you can find that download in the link in the description down below. 3, 2, and 1. So let's get ready. Let's sprint that as fast as you can. And again, you've got your low impact option at the top. So you're either doing those fast feet, or you are taking it to that running on the spot. So we are really now melting off belly fat because we are running. And as I said, if we want results, it's never going to be doing things like ab crunches and planks. We've got to do these standing abs, are going to be really highly effective. All right, so next move coming up is going to be doing that straight leg kick. All right, 2 and 1. So let's bring that up. And again, if this is an area you want to work, don't forget I've got lots of these workouts, and one of them is one of the most popular workouts on YouTube with now over 115 million downloads, simply because it works. So give that one a try as well. All right, so let's just keep that going, doing really well. Keep that back nice and straight, and we are getting ready for that last move coming up. So you can see that timer now on the right. We are nearly full to the end. All right, so imagine now, so we're just pulling down that wallpaper. Pull it down as hard as you can, really engage through those core muscles. So we're getting that heart rate up, doing really well. All right, that's good. And last 15 seconds, keeping that going. So just give me now, if you can, let's just go for an extra 10 seconds, a last little bit today. And remember, the aim is do this for the next 7 days. And the great thing is 7 minutes, you could do it twice in one day, morning and then later on in the afternoon if you want as well. So well done. That is your 7 minutes, 7-day workout complete. Well done, high five, you did it. What I'd like you to do is just carry on marching just until that timer stops, just so I can get your heart rate back down. So that is 7 minutes, that's all that took. You are going to feel amazing today, and what I want you to do is do this for the next 7 days. So do let me know in the comments down below, did you like it? And then also come back to me in 7 days and let me know your results on there. So remember, this is also all about your health. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, definitely subscribe. Then at the end of the video, click in the link and you can come and do a full cool down stretch with me, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.